Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I am doing a crochet style using the Yanky Twist hair. So here's my braiding pattern. Super simple, chunky, straight to the back. Nothing too extravagant, but here is the hair. So the hair comes in bundles. This is 4 packs. I'm going to show you a total of 8 packs that come in one order. So that's the 8 packs. And then it comes with a crochet needle. And I also ordered 2 additional packs because I wasn't sure, and I have mine in the color 1B. This is an 8-inch, y'all. This 8-inch was actually longer than I thought. So if you're thinking about getting it longer, that's totally up to you, but this 8-inch definitely comes long enough in my opinion. But this is how one strand looks. I was so discouraged by that one strand, so what I did was take 3 strands, and that's how I went throughout my entire head, and that's what made it go faster. If you do this one strand one by one, you will be here all day, as you can see on my face. But as I got the hang of it, because those knots, the loops in each strand was so small, it did take me a little bit of finagling in the beginning, and then I figured out my rhythm along the way. But here I'm just doing the same thing throughout the front. Now in the front, I did take some single pieces. Some of them I did 2, it all depends. But in the back, I definitely did the 3 strands to make it quicker to get up to the front. But right here, I am just about to finish up 4 packs. So that's the 4 packs I'm showing you. I was on that 4th pack, and it pretty much gives a full look. You probably only need to order the 8 packs that it comes with. One order comes with 8 packs, as I said, and again, that was the all 4. This is now all 4 packs right here, and it looks pretty full. The only thing I did not like was the way I was probably scattering it throughout the hair or spacing it out. Some parts of it was longer than the other, like that back part, it just looked very thin to me. So I did cut this hair up because I wanted it to be shorter. So that's why I initially ordered the 8-inch, but I love how it falls in the front. These curls are certainly springy, so you can keep pulling them out, keep doing your thing, and still be cutting even after you install the hair. I know that after I installed this hair and was completely done, I was cutting as the weeks went by. And honestly, the older this hair gets, the better it was getting. So that's what I love about this hair. It's super lightweight. Like I said, you might only need 8 packs. But this particular install, because it was my first time, this is 10 packs of hair. And I just shaped it to my liking, did a side part, cut as much as I wanted to cut. And as you can see here, I wore it out, put a little makeup on to church, and this is what it looked like. So I really do like this hair. I actually installed this hair 2 times already, and the second time around I did my cornrows a little bit smaller, and yes, that is the way to go. So if you have the time, check the link out below if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching, and all the details will be linked below. Bye.